Creating an email account for professional and business use. What are the reasons an organization or a group might consider a business or nonprofit account? You may consider establishing a business email if you want to apply for grant funding but don't have a professional email set up for your community-based organization or nonprofit. You want to have a professional email for other agencies and community groups to reach out to. You want to have a shared platform for staff and volunteers to store and share documents, or you want to increase your community-based organization's cybersecurity. Many professionals and businesses utilize email every day to communicate with staff, grantors, community partners, and vendors. Email allows you to reach people everywhere, across different time zones, and it's accessible anytime with internet connection. Email can serve as a method of tracking timelines of grant projects, sharing reminders, and keeping historical records to help with future planning. We do not represent or endorse Google. This is a guide for learning purposes only, and there are many different email services, like Yahoo and Outlook, that your group or organization can use for professional and business use. This is a step-by-step example of how to create an email account using a business service account. A Google Workspace for Nonprofits plan is free. Using Google Workspace, you can create professional email addresses, you can host video meetings with 100 participants, you have 100 terabytes of storage space, you have security and management controls, and you receive standard customer support. To get started with the nonprofit plan, please visit Google/nonprofits/offerings/workspace. If you are interested in creating a Google Workspace business paid plan, next is a step-by-step guide. To get started, please check you have the below items completed. Assign or determine an account administrator to go through this guide. You know how many staff are in your organization. You know your organization's physical address. You have access to your current email. You have access to your organization's phone. This can be a cell phone or a landline. And you have access to your organization's credit card. Step 1. Navigate to the website to create your Gmail account. Open a website browser that you utilize frequently, like Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Internet Explorer. For training purposes, we will open up Google Chrome. Once you have your web browser open, type into the URL bar mail.google.com. Select Create an Account. You will see a drop-down menu. Select For My Work or Business. You will be directed to a page to choose the email that is best for your business. On the left-hand side, under Custom Email and Productivity Features for your business, select Try Google Workspace. Step 2. Enter initial business information. You will be directed to a page, Let's Get Started. Here you will enter your group or organization's full business name. Now, for number of employees, including you, choose the number of employees in your group or organization and ensure you are including yourself in the count. For the last selection, region, United States autofills for you. Lastly, select Next. Step 3. Choose an account administrator. It is time to complete contact information for your group or organization's account administrator. This should be the person that is in a leadership role and/or has been assigned to handle your group or organization's operational tasks. Type in your first and last name, and now type in your account administrator's current email address. This should be an email account that your administrator has current access to. Then select Next. Step 4. Choose a business domain. Now let's create your group or organization's business domain. An email domain is always after the @ symbol of an email address. This refers to the group's organization that owns the rights to the email. Does your group or organization have a domain? For training purposes, we will select No, I need one. Now you will be prompted to search domain names. You will want your domain name to be short and simple to make it easier for those who want to connect with you. The domain name you choose will be shown in each of your staff's work email that you create under this Google Workspace. Remember, you will need your organization's credit card handy as you will be prompted to enter payment information in order to proceed with your paid plan. Once you have selected your domain name, move to the next step. You will be directed to a new page. The domain name you want is available. You will use this domain to set up your Google Workspace, create professional email addresses, sign into Gmail, and use Google's applications. Select Next. Step 5. Enter your business information. Enter your group or organization's office physical address. Lastly, for the business phone number, type in the business phone number you currently have access to. Further down these steps, you will be prompted to verify your business phone number through a verification code that will be texted or called to this number. Step 6. Choose how you will sign in. This should be your name. For the username, choose a professional username, which will be easier for you and your colleagues to remember. You will notice that the domain you chose earlier in these steps autofills. Choose a password. Next, check the box confirming you are not a robot, and then select Agree and Continue. Using your new email and password, sign in.
Step 7.
Welcome to your new account. Now you will be prompted to read Google's policies, which include terms and conditions. Once you have read through and understand the policies, select I understand. Step 8. Select a payment plan. Now you will be prompted to select a payment plan that is right for your group or organization. Under the Business Plus, select the plan that best meets your needs, and you can choose to try for free for 14 days. Step 9. Review and check out. You will be prompted to take a final look at your automatic monthly charges, yearly charges, and customer information. Now it is time to enter your payment method. Enter your group or organization's credit or debit card number, expiration date, card verification code on the back of the card, and the cardholder's full name. If the credit or debit card address is not the same as what you entered above, uncheck this box and add a billing address. Next, check the box Make my domain registration info private.
This will minimize solicitors from trying to contact you.
Then select Agree and Continue. Congratulations, your Gmail account for professional and business use is now created. Continue through the prompts that will assist you with creating additional Gmail accounts for the rest of your staff and help you with navigating and customizing your Google Workspace settings. We recommend you import your contacts, create folders in your Google Drive to collaborate with your team, and look into utilizing Google's various applications.